Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Roblox error code 524 not authorized to join this game. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to check your privacy setting. For that you need to enter into your Roblox as run as administrator mode. Over there please enter into the more option and then settings. So over there please click privacy and control restrictions. In that you need to enter into visibility and private services. So private services, so based on your preference you can make it as everyone or friends, followers or people I follow or friends, it's up to you. So the second step is to sign out and sign back in. The same you need to enter into your Roblox. This time it's a normal mode. Either you can quick sign in or else you can check out and check in again. Yeah. So the third step is to restart the Roblox. So for that you need to enter into your task manager and right click to end task it, and also please enter all the supporting application of Roblox. So the fourth step is to disable VPN and proxy. For that you need to start and then settings, network and internet. Please scroll down, you may see proxy. Please disable the proxy by clicking the setup. Yeah, now it's in disabled condition, so it's good to go. Please save and close it. So the fifth step is to check your internet connection. For the quick fix, please turn off and turn on the Wi-Fi and enable the airplane mode for the quick fix. If you are using a router, please do check out your connections. So the sixth step is to clear the Roblox cache. You need to press Windows R and then type local app data %/Roblox. So over there please delete the log files and folders. So once it's done, please close it, and the seventh step is to reinstall Roblox. So for that first you need to uninstall the Roblox by using the apps, installed apps in the settings, and then you can either use a web to install or else you can use your Microsoft Store or Apple Store to install the Roblox. So once it's done, you need to restart your PC and the issue will be solved. So I hope you enjoyed the video and it's useful. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.